If you've been waiting for a mid-budget smartphone from Samsung, we've got some exciting news for you. The company is all set to launch yet another smartphone, under its A-series lineup, the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, the successor to the Galaxy A56. This phone promises premium features at an affordable price, and guess what? Its specs have already been leaked before the official launch. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this fantastic smartphone. So let's start. Features of Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Display. Samsung's latest mid-range beast is expected to pack a massive 6.79-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, perfect for gaming and scrolling. The screen-to-body ratio is an impressive 93.6%, ensuring an immersive viewing experience. And that's not all. The phone will also come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for added durability, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance, making it a tough contender in its segment. Camera setup. On the back, the Galaxy A57 5G is rumored to feature a triple camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel primary shooter with OIS, ensuring sharp, blur-free photos even in low light. The other two lenses include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 12-megapixel depth camera. As for selfies, a 32-megapixel front camera is expected to handle all your Instagram-worthy shots. Processor and performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 5G is likely to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2200 chipset, paired with the X-Clips 920 GPU, promising top-notch performance for gaming and multitasking. On the software front, it will run on the latest One UI 6.1 based on Android 15, ensuring a smooth and feature-rich user experience. Battery and charging. Powering this device is a massive 5500 mAh battery, which should easily last a full day on a single charge. While fast charging details are still under wraps, we expect at least 50-watt fast charging support. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The base variant is expected to start at around $490, making it a solid mid-range option. As for the launch date, Samsung is likely to unveil the Galaxy A57 5G by the end of this year.